Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on an upload, and leave a comment below saying I subscribed and hello, and I'll always say hi back. With all of that said and done, let's jump into the video.
It's time to do.
And we're back. Round 1 at Guff Locals. We're playing against Labyrinth. And we're going to go first. Did we win the die roll? We get a 5. He rocks a massive 12. So he'll go first. A bit of foreshadowing, but we don't end up enjoying this round at all. We really weren't prepared mentally or physically for Labyrinth. I've never played against Labyrinth with Purrely, so we go street, normal summon Purrely, and then he'll flip the skill drain. We go sleepy, dump the pot to grab the lily. And I thought I could go into a Zeus. Thought we were going to go into Slacker here. And I was going to go to battle phase and punch into him. He's going to big welcome. Ariana. And then Ariana bounced immediately, so then we redeclare the attack. When he grabs Lady. Just thinking here, I think I end up battling into it. At least that's what the motions I'm making are. So we pass turn to our opponent, we activate the summon limit, which really, it's tit for tat when it comes to skill drain, but makes life a bit harder. He's going to go ahead, search big welcome. He's just having a bit of a think. If he goes to battle, he's going to punch into me with his monsters. Set one and pass. And we lava golem his monsters. Really isn't an issue, to be honest, and I set a monster in defense. And pass turn to him. He will go end phase. Big welcome, grab the lady. Then he gets the Lord of the Heavenly Dragon Prison. And everything goes to attack mode, and he'll take game from there. Skill drain putting in work that game. Really, yeah, disappointing. That was really, it's painful to watch, and it's, yeah, just it's hard when you play with the intent to be competitive. It's hard to take things lightly, and sometimes you get in your own head, and then you become your own biggest enemy. We normal Purrely, miss on its effect, we activate my friend, reveal 3 copies of Sleepy. He picks one at random. We then Purrely's effect to go into a Noir here. We go Happiness's effect, chain Noir, and set the trap. No, we forget to set the trap. Maybe the trap's in my hand. Anyway, we pot for 6. And we're going to take the street. We set the trap. Street's going to attach a Sleepy. So our opponent has a couple of proxies in his deck, which is just Pot of Prosperity. So he got a bit excited and skipped past his standby, so we're just going to quickly draw 4 cards. And then he'll activate Pot of Prosperity. we do not have a response, unfortunately. He's got some pretty good options there. He's going to take the Erad. No, he's going to take the big welcome. We get Ariana. He's opened the nuts here again. He goes, welcome Labyrinth. You can see I'm sitting here rocking back and forth in my chair, knowing that he's going to set 3 and pass. He's got Lord of Heavenly Dragon Prison activated as well. Really disappointing, but we move Noir to battle attack phase, attack position, I should say. What's going on? And we're going to my friend Purrely, revealed 3 pretty. He's going to give us a pretty, and then we're going to normal Purrely, hopefully hit something here. He's just thinking, and we get a pretty. Going into Beauty. Set a back row, Beauty's effect, dumping our copy of my friend Purrely to target and absorb, but he's going to dance around it. Because I just play into these things. I need to play against more Labyrinth players because I just don't know where to interact, and obviously I should have targeted the back row, but then he just activates it anyway. It's actually really hard. Anyway, so we activate another pretty memory. We both gain 1,000. We're going to discard to special summon a Lily, and then we realise that we can't use Lily's graveyard effect. We're going to Anima into his Lady. He's going to Daruma Cannon because it affects the player and not the cards. He's just got the nuts. And then we're just going to spin everything in response to Daruma Cannon before he sets everything face down. He's going to activate Welcome Labyrinth, getting him a copy of Lady, and then everything gets booked, including Lady, and I lose Anima. We go pot for 3, and we just get a Tactics talent for some silly reason, and from here he will be able to take game. He gets his Lord of Heavenly Dragon Prison, or whatever it's called, Heavenly Prison. He'll pot for 3, Compulse, and then Pot of Duality. Just gets the nuts. Yeah, not much I can do. He goes battle phase, he'll clear my board. I think we end up scooping it up anyway. Yeah. And that'll be game. On to round 2.